What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Bang on the channel. You guys can see we got the M5 loaded up with something, but you guys already know by the title. You're installing a full exhaust for my F90 M5. It's been a long time. It's going to be fully straight pipe, but it's going to have a valve muffler system, so I can open and close the valves, be quiet or loud as shit whenever I want. And keep in mind, with the valves closed, it's quieter than this. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can't wait to install. I've been waiting so long to get this installed. Let's go ahead and do it. We're going to show you guys before and after sound clips of this beast. If you guys enjoyed today's video, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for so many more mods coming. Let's get it. We're going to give you guys some revs in Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Those are the 3 modes you can put this car in. You guys see how it sounds with just the stock exhaust, but callus downpipes. And here we go. Alright, now that you guys have heard how it sounds with the stock exhaust, just stay tuned for later in the video where we show you guys how it's going to sound with the full titanium exhaust with 4-inch tips. The tone, the aggression is going to be completely different. And listen, let's listen to this Comfort idle really quick. This is in Comfort mode. Listen to the idle. Would you guys be surprised that once I get the valve exhaust on, if I close the valves and even have it in Sport Plus, the idle will be even quieter than this? Listen, if you guys watch the rest of the video so you guys can find out if that's really true. But trust me, I already tested on another F90 that did have the exact setup with the valve exhaust, and that's how it was. But we'll see you guys in that next clip where we actually get everything installed. And just stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video because much more to come with this car. Here we go. Guys, we're unboxing the exhaust right now. These are the exhausts. We got 4-inch tips, the K-Between logo at the end. These ends right here, they turn purple when they hit a certain temperature, so that's pretty cool. But we're going to go ahead and unbox everything and then show you guys everything set up. And then hopefully when it's on the car. We got the stock exhaust for the F90 off. You guys can see how restricted it is. Once we have the new exhaust on, it's going to be fully straight pipe. It's going to sound insane. Look at how the M5 looks without an exhaust, but that's how it's looking. Let's move on to the next step. We finally unboxed everything. Here's what it's looking like. Full titanium exhaust. Everything is straight pipe. That what you're seeing is the actual valve muffler. So when I close it, it'll muffle all the noise and it will be quieter than literally the stock idle on this car. Let me give you guys some sound clips in this video. Just stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys. It is now the next day. We are going to do our first ever cold start. So it's going to be my first reaction, hearing how it sounds with the full titanium exhaust. And keep in mind, you guys, this car has full callus downpipes and front-mount intakes from KB Tuning. Now we just finished it up with a full titanium straight piped valved exhaust from KB Tuning as well. And again, if you guys need any of these parts, I'll leave a link in the description. But I cannot wait to hear this cold start, and you guys are going to hear it too. You can open and close the valves before you start it up if you have the remote. Now it's open. Every time I bring the car back in the garage, I always close it because I know if I'm going to remote start, I want to make sure it's as quiet as possible. But I will start it up with the valves open, and I will just keep opening and closing it for you guys. But we are going to make sure it's open, and we're going to go ahead and remote start it. And again, my remote start right now is set to only start up in Comfort mode, but it is still very loud with the valves open. Just watch, and let's get straight to it. This right here is going to be the normal idle in Comfort, but listen to this. It is literally quieter than the idle I had in Comfort with the stock exhaust, so that's actually crazy, and that's the only reason why I wanted to invest into this exhaust, to be able to be quiet or loud whenever I want. And you guys can hear how loud it is. It's insane. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys some revs in comfort with the valves open and closed, and the same thing with Sport and Sport Plus, so you guys can hear how loud or how quiet this car can be with the valve titanium exhaust from KB Tuning. And let's get straight to it. Here's a quick another bonus clip. Listen to the idle. This is Sport Plus idle with the valves open, and this is Sport Plus idle with the valves closed. That's literally quietly the stock exhaust idle with catless downpipes, of course, in comfort mode. And this with the valves open. That's crazy. You can literally be quiet or loud with this car. You can literally choose because of KB Tuning. And with that being said, if you guys need anything like the exhaust, a valve, you can get titanium, stainless steel, any carbon fiber parts, catless downpipes, intakes, whatever you guys need for your BMW or any other car, you guys can hit me on my DMs on Instagram, or you can DM KB Tuning _ on Instagram. And you guys let me know what you guys think of how this car sounds. Showed you guys cold start, showed you guys revs, everything. I'm so happy with how this came out. But you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of this video. Was this a W mod or not? You do have to read us the tips. I'm sure you guys can already notice that the tips are a little bit misaligned, but we're going to be fixing that. Don't worry, because with the heat transfer and everything, we do have to read us it a few times to get it to that perfect spec. And we'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you do next to the M5. Love you all. See you guys in the next video.